The 3 best banks in Michigan for checking accounts. A checking account in Michigan should be judged by how it works in real daily routines. Here, the focus is Michigan checking accounts by fees, access, branch or ATM convenience, digital tools, and customer fit. First choice, Flagstar Ready Checking, a local option with one easy fee waiver. Flagstar Ready Checking suits someone who wants access to Michigan branches without maintaining a particular balance. The account has no minimum balance requirement and includes online banking, mobile check deposit, bill pay, debit card controls, and access to a large surcharge-free ATM network. There is a $50 minimum opening deposit and a $3 monthly maintenance fee. The important detail is how that fee can be avoided. You only need to meet one qualifying condition during the statement cycle. You can enroll in electronic statements, receive at least $500 in qualifying direct deposits, or qualify through the account's age-based waiver. For many customers, selecting electronic statements is simpler than monitoring a balance or depending on payroll timing. That gives Flagstar an advantage over accounts that advertise a waivable fee but require more demanding financial activity every month. The account is less compelling when you regularly use ATMs outside its network because the bank and ATM owner may apply separate charges. Flagstar works best when local branch access matters and you want a low fee that can disappear through a simple account setting. Second choice, Chase Total Checking. Useful when your banking extends beyond Michigan. A Michigan resident who travels frequently or expects to relocate may value a bank with a wider national footprint. That is where Chase Total Checking becomes more relevant. That flexibility can be useful for students attending college out of state, workers who travel, or families managing money across several locations. The account carries a $15 monthly service fee unless one qualifying condition is met. The most accessible route for many customers is receiving at least $500 in qualifying electronic deposits during each statement period. The fee can also be avoided through specified individual or combined balances, or by linking a qualifying account. If your deposits are irregular and you do not maintain the required balances, the annual cost can become difficult to justify. Using a non-Chase ATM can also introduce an additional bank fee, and the ATM operator may charge separately. Chase is not the automatic low-cost choice. Its value comes from access and consistency across different states, provided you can reliably avoid the monthly charge. Third choice, Huntington Asterisk-Free Checking. No monthly rule to remember. Huntington removes the monthly maintenance test altogether. Asterisk-Free Checking has no monthly maintenance fee, no minimum balance requirement, and no minimum opening deposit. You do not need a qualifying direct deposit, you do not need to maintain a certain balance, and you do not need to complete a particular activity every statement period simply to keep the account free. That makes it especially practical for students, freelancers, seasonal workers, and anyone whose income does not arrive on a perfectly predictable schedule. Huntington also includes overdraft safeguards. Its $50 safety zone generally prevents an overdraft fee when the account ends the day overdrawn by $50 or less. For a larger negative balance, 24-hour grace may provide additional time to make a qualifying deposit and avoid a fee under the applicable condition. Those features should be treated as protection from occasional mistakes, not as permission to spend money that is unavailable. Huntington stands out because an ordinary checking account remains free even during an unusual month. Test the account against your real routine. Choose Flagstar when Michigan branch access matters and electronic statements provide an easy path around its small monthly fee. Choose Chase when a national network is valuable and your electronic deposits or balances can consistently satisfy the waiver rules. Choose Huntington when you want the simplest account to maintain without a monthly fee or balance condition. Before opening one, search for actual branches and ATMs near your home, workplace, school, and usual travel routes. Then, review overdraft rules, out-of-network ATM charges, cash deposit options, check availability, and the latest account agreement. A bank can have a strong presence in Michigan and still be inconvenient in the part of the state where you live. This is general information, not personalized financial advice. Fees, conditions, and account features can change.